Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about stock trading journal I created to track my stock trading performance and strategy. This trading journal is designed for traders who want to track their trading performance and strategy over the period of 12 months and to have a detailed monthly overview and overall overview of their trading activity. So let me show you how to use this trading journal. First of all, you need to set your starting month and year, and then your account starting balance, and then your strategy for this stock trading. You need to define your strategy for this stock trading. After that, you can start your stock trading journal by keying the data of your trades in the trading journal tab. Let me show you an example of how to key in the data here. First, you need to key in the trade number, your entry date, your direction of the trade, either you sell or you buy, the number of share you open the position, the ticker of the stock that you are trading, your strategy, your entry price, your stop loss, your take profit level, and your commission. So when you close the trade, you also key in the data here, such as your exit date, the number of share you close, your exit price, and your commission. As you can see here, the light green cells here will automatically calculate your risk management, such as your maximum profit, maximum loss, risk percentage per trade, your maximum risk reward ratio, and also your duration, how many days you was in the trade, and your profit and loss statistics such as your R multiple, your profit and loss, including the commission, your cumulative P&L, and lastly your account details. It will track your account balance changes, percentage your gain or lose from the trade, and your amount of drawdown for each trade. In this journal, there is also a monthly report to keep track your monthly trading performance and strategy. You can choose the month you want to view from the drop-down list, and it will list out all the trades that you taken on that particular month. This monthly report also show you the profit and loss, your win rate, and your average return per trade. The dynamic charts here will show your account balance, your total P&L by ticker, your strategy performance, your cumulative P&L, and your account drawdown. Next is the strategy performance dashboard. The strategy performance dashboard lets you see how each of your individual trading strategies are performing. This allows you to identify which strategies are working well and which may need to be improved. Just select the strategy from the drop-down list here, and it will show all the trades taken using the strategy and all the related statistics such as profit and loss, win rate, and average return per trade. There is also a strategy statistic here to show you which strategy is the best performing strategy, the top performing strategy, and which one is the bottom performing strategy. And it will show you your monthly strategy statistic in terms of R multiple here. In addition to these tools, there is also a calculator, a position sizing calculator, and entry or target level calculator, which allows you to determine the appropriate position size for each trade based on your risk tolerance and account size, as well as your entry level and take profit level before entering the trade. This can help you avoid over leveraging your account and minimize the risk. And finally, the most important part of this journal is the main trading dashboard, which gives you a comprehensive overview of your trading activity over the period of 12 months. It shows you the account summary, such as your profit and loss, win rate, and account statistics such as your average win and your average loss. The interactive and dynamic charts here will automatically update when you input data at your trading journal. The pie chart here shows you the trade performance such as the number of win and loose trade, your long and short trade. The graph and bar chart here will show you your account balance, your account drawdown, your monthly number of winning and losing trade, your monthly performance by R multiple, your monthly performance by profit and loss, your cumulative profit and loss over the whole trading period, your performance, the performance by each ticker, and the performance by each strategy. So as a conclusion, I think it's necessary for every trader to have a trading journal like this because it helps you track your performance, optimize your trading strategy, and the information here will help you improve your skills over the time and manage your portfolio effectively. Trading journal and trading dashboard similar to this one is also available for forex trading, option trading, and stock and futures trading. If you are interested to find out more about this trading journal, the link is below at the comment section. Hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching until the end.